Hello all, welcome to our channel. So followed by the last HTML video, we are going to learn about the CSS Basics. Okay, so what is CSS? CSS is a cascading style sheet. Why CSS? It allows web designers to make our websites unique and attractive. Okay, for example, we created a HTML syntax. By using the HTML syntax, we will create our website or software, whatever the front end UIs are built by HTML. HTML is the skeleton. Okay, so we need to color it out for an attraction. That is the use of CSS. Where we use the CSS? Okay, CSS can be used in three different methods in HTML. We are going to apply the CSS in HTML so that the styles of the HTML will be unique and attractive. Okay, the first one is inline style attribute. Okay, we are going to write the inline attribute as CSS, then internal CSS, then external CSS. Okay, what is inline CSS? By using the style attribute inside the HTML elements. Okay, when you are reading the HTML tutorial in W3 schools, you know about the attributes in the HTML. There is an attribute called style for inline CSS. For example, I already wrote the things in HTML. See here, this is the inline CSS. I used the style attribute and write the color as red. This font will be glow in red color. Then this font size will be in 50 pixel. Okay, so I'm going to show the demo. Same testing.html file as we used in last HTML demo. I'm using this. See, the hello world is, I'm just commenting this for to avoid the confusions. See, the hello world is coming now as red color. The font size of this I'm going to remove this CSS from HTML. See, this is the original size of this font. I am applying CSS. I am applying a style to this font as a 50 pixel for font size. So it's big now. Okay, fine. This is the inline CSS. I can change as green color. I can add one more font weight as 900. Okay, I can write this n number of things in style attribute. This will change. See, it's changed to green color and font weight is changed to 100. I'm make it as 100. See, this is the difference between font weight. Font weight is nothing but the boldness of the font. Okay, so this font size is going to reduce now because I'm going to make it as 10. So this is the changes of this font size and font. This is the inline CSS. We can write many things in the inline CSS. What is the next one is internal CSS by using a style tag element. Okay, what is internal? I am created a different h1 class. As I mentioned in last HTML demo, I told you about the h1 tag is 4 to 5 types of the h1 to h, like that. So I created on style tag. This is the class name. Okay, class means we need to put one dot before the name. Apply internal. Okay, now I am putting font style as italic. See, this is also one class, this is also one class. Class means I can call many times in the HTML. I called this HTML, this class name in 4 different HTML tags. This will reflect in our web pages. See, 4 different h1 tags. Okay, this is the difference between sizes of the h1 tag. Now I'm going to change the font style to this last one. Sorry, first one, because that one is the biggest one, right? So you can see the changes. Okay, wherever I am applying this class, it will change the CSS of this. This is the internal CSS. Okay, I use one style tag and I will fix one class name too. It will serve all the pages wherever in this page. Okay, what is the external CSS? Okay, by creating a separate CSS file and include HTML, I am writing everything in this HTML file itself, and now I need to keep the CSS things in separate file. Okay, So I'm creating one test.css file. Okay, for a time being I'm created one already. I created one test.css file, nothing, same like a HTML. You will give an extension like .css. Okay, here okay, here I used the font, apply font style as italic. Okay, here I am removing this apply internal. Instead of this I am pasting this apply font style. This is the style from here to here. I am calling this class name from this file. It will work or not? Let's see. Where the italic font is not applied. Why it is not working? Because this class is not available in this file. We need to call this file. How to call this file? There is a link tag. While you are reading the HTML things, you know about the link tags. Okay, so I'm going to link the test CSS file. It means it is in the same directory, so I am mentioning this is the same directory, this file. Okay, so see, now the changes are applied. I am making the font color as background color as green. Okay, see the changes. You can see the changes, right? This is the three different styles. Okay, I mean three different CSS apply types. Okay, this is the inline, internal and external. So you know the basics of inline, internal and external things. External means we need to link that file. Inline means we are going to write inside the attribute. Then internal means we will write one style tag and we will create a class. Okay, you can call this test.css file in n number of HTML files. For example, home page, about us page, wherever you are using this style sheet, you can call this. You will write only one place. You can call it in many places. That is the use of external style sheet. Okay, fine. So these are the basic things in CSS. So now you want to learn the CSS things. Go to the w3schools.com. Inside the w3schools.com, pick the CSS. Learn all the things. Okay. So for example, float means you can learn here image float. This will give one idea to you. You must learn all these things. It will take some minimal time only. All the best. Thank you for watching our video.